Apprentice roofers learn their craft, how to make corner cuts and apply seal, technical training to work on commercial, industrial, and residential roofs. This program is conducted by the Roofers Union and the Builders Association of Eastern Ohio and Western Pennsylvania. This program is conducted with the Ironworkers Union, says the builder's John Watkins.
The Builders Association runs 5 different apprenticeship programs out of our office, plus this one here with the Ironworkers. The 5 include trades of the glaziers, the roofers, the cement masons, the plasterers, and the laborers.
Apprenticeship programs span 4 or 5 years with thousands of hours of on-the-job training and classroom instruction. Good jobs for good workers, says the Ironworkers' Mike Sampson.
Well, a lot of people don't realize all the training and the hard work that goes into being a construction worker. They think people just come right out of high school or high school dropouts, and they don't realize all the hard work and training and effort that these young men go through to be qualified and skilled craftsmen.
Like teachers, physicians, and other professionals, learning is lifelong, not just for skilled tradesmen, but also for their employers.
We also do what's called journeyman upgrade training. That's where people that are already graduated from the apprenticeship program and are journeymen, but something new comes along where they need some refresher. And then there's a third type of training that we offer at the Builders Association that's specialized in usually management type training, like green building or workers' compensation training, things like that we offer through seminars from the Builders Association.
The bottom line, highly skilled builders, productivity and craftsmanship that completes construction jobs faster, better, and safely. I'm Andrea Wood reporting.